everyone. My name is Harsh Khilani. I'm a student assistant here at the Student Success Center at Lakehead University, Thunder Bay. Today, I will be explaining on how to use and navigate MySuccess. MySuccess is an online portal that enables students to book appointment with the Student Success Center, the Career Zone, and the Academic Support Zone. The student can access their co-curricular records, view information about the work-study program, the cooperative education program, and learn about various upcoming events, workshops, seminars, and volunteer opportunities, and search for available jobs on and off campus. You can also upload your resume directly online, save interesting job postings, and track the jobs you applied for. So there are a couple of ways to navigate to MySuccess. First one is you go to lakeheadu.ca, click on the profile icon here, and go to click on MySuccess. The other option is to go to the website directly, mysuccess.lakeheadu.ca. Over there, you can click login here, and then you select student and enter your Lakehead username and password. After successfully logging in, you will be able to see the dashboard, which consists of important messages, then overview. You can view various forms, which like the eligibility form for the work-study program, any upcoming events or workshops down here to the right. And then the navigation tab on your left consists of events based on your campus, job or bank and volunteer postings, student success center and career zone appointments, the academic support zone, your co-op program, your curricular records, and the option to log out. So the last thing in this tutorial, we would see on how to book an view events based on your campus. So when you click on events, you get a calendar and list view of the Thunder Bay campus events. So you can select any event you would like to attend. So all you have to do is click on any particular event. You can see important details about it. Some events require you for pre-registration, and then if not, you can just click on the meeting link to join. So thank you very much for watching my first introduction video on how to navigate MySuccess. The next video tutorial would include how to book an appointment with the Student Success Center and the Career Zone for the Thunder Bay campus. Thank you.